Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the ergonomics of your SMC R390. From the factory, the gear selector is too high up and I really don't like it, especially for my riding style. And I wanted to lower it down. But as soon as you lower it down, it hits the foot peg and it doesn't work anymore. You can go down with the gears or select the first gear. Today I'll show you how to fix that. First, remove the sprocket cover. Unbolt the shifting bracket and remove the bolt. For the Euro spec bikes, just lower the side stand, and for the American bikes, you will need to unbolt the side stand from here. Unbolt the foot peg. Lastly, remove everything and pay attention to the shifting bracket. Remove this bolt. So guys, here you can see the issue. The uniball is hitting the metal part, the foot peg, and does not allow it to go down. So to fix that, we will need to remove material here. It is approximately 50 millimeters from the bottom and till 30 millimeters from this top part here. This is exactly the part where you will need to remove material. You can even, while everything is assembled, put this part on, move it down and put a little dot where it hits. In this case, I have used this tool to remove material. This is a portable belt grinder, I think, and it's really good to do this job. Once you have removed material here, you can move to the foot peg. And on the foot peg, you have to remove a little bit of material here. And I can give you the measurements. It is about 35 millimeters from the bearing, from the center of the bearing, and about 75 millimeters from the end here. I have already painted in black, so you don't see it. And that's it. Now we can assemble everything back. Let's start from the foot peg. Use some medium strength Loctite on the bolts and put the longer bolt in the bottom and the shorter bolt in the top. You can tie these two bolts at 25 Newton meters. When you are reassembling the gear selector, put a 2 mm thick washer on the inside part so you move the gear selector a little bit out. This is needed for this modification. With this modification, you can go up to 2 tooths down on this side, and for finer adjustment, you can use the threaded rod. Use some medium strength Loctite. Check that everything works. So guys, we finished. This is a little bit of a short video. I have done this mod some days ago and then I thought to myself, maybe somebody else have the same problem I had, so let's do a video to help somebody. By doing this simple mod, it will allow you to move the gear selector down up to 2 tooths on this sprocket, and then you can fine tune it on the threaded rod. From the factory, you can't do that. Even if you lower it down just a little bit on the threaded rod, it will hit the foot peg itself and you won't be able to select the first gear or lower your gears. So yeah, this is a simple mod that solves a big problem. And that's it. I really hope this video was helpful. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye. Ciao.